You're about to tackle the ultimate 6-week renovation competition. We created this neighborhood from the ground up. Nothing was here. And in 6 short weeks, you'll leave behind a beautiful neighborhood.
That we are. First, ready?
The 4 brand new homes behind you are identical and also big. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 4,000 square feet, with a strong $250,000 market value on day 1. You'll have 6 weeks to add as much value as possible to your homes. And you have access to the best contractors and tradespeople in the area. And when you're done, a talented team of real estate and design experts will conduct a full-scale, in-depth appraisal of your newly rocked homes. The home with the highest appraised value wins Rock the Block. At stake, ultimate bragging rights, and as part of your win, we're helping you turn up to fight hunger by providing up to 100,000 meals to kids fighting hunger through our partner, No Kid Hungry.
That's awesome.
You see this sign right here? One team will have their name on it in just 6 short weeks. However, you cannot go in each other's houses until our finale in 6 weeks.
How are we supposed to spy?
Binoculars.
Each week, you'll be assigned a different zone in the house to be transformed. Then an HGTV expert will come take a tour of your home and evaluate your work and decide who designed the space the best and added the most potential value. And this week, you'll be judged by a real estate power couple. HGTV's own Flipper Flop and Flipping 101 star Tarek El Moussa and his fiancée, real estate expert Heather Ray Young. The first Rock the Block space you'll be working on is the heart of the home, the kitchen and dining room. Each team gets a hefty $225,000 to put into their home.
You can make that work.
For real? Okay.
You can make that work.
That was good, yeah.
All right, teams, let's get you your money and your keys.
Great.
Yeah.
Competition is a funny thing because I feel like anybody who's not with me is against me.
All right, here we go. Oh my God.
This house is a beast. I mean, 3 floors and it's basically unfinished.
I thought there was gonna be a lot more done.
This is super underwhelming. Okay, I just have to take this in for 1 second.
Nice size.
Yeah, it's a big space to kind of reimagine.
Thank you.
We have a lot of work to do.
This is like working in a fast food restaurant. We've got so many guys running left, right, and center. Stones happening outside, stones happening inside. We have so much to do and so much noise of people working. To me, that's music.
Yes, that looks stunning. Absolutely stunning.
The minute that I walked in and saw this, I'm sold.
So we're not painting.
We're not painting. Seeing that brick on the wall, it's like, boom. It's so beautiful.
I feel good.
I'm a happy guy because it's gonna stand out not like a sore thumb, but a piece of art.
Ooh, a daisy, yes.
Yeah, the colors.
That
fun.
green is giving me life.
The fact is we are different and we are making this kitchen overly different in every single area, from the floor plan to the selections.
I think we did good.
Not bad.
Our sink is being cut and installed. We have the pendant lights going in, the beverage refrigerators, and then our stove is being installed. This is going to be an absolute showstopper when we're done.
Hello, aren't you just precious? Yes, you are.
One of our favorite parts of this kitchen is our secret hidden pantry, which is disguised behind the cabinet doors. Buyers and appraisers love surprises, plus all the added storage is definitely gonna increase the value of this home.
Wait for it.
There's nothing more rewarding than sketching something out, seeing it come to life. like this. This looks like a Belgian antique.
Yeah.
It's not.
This looks like it's 400 years old.
Every square inch of our space is being touched. There's a lot of work going on. And everything in our kitchen is custom, from the cabinetry to the beautiful island, which is one of a kind. It was a sketch inspired by a Belgian antique, and it's made entirely of salvaged wood.
Custom
Brand new
paint.
floors are in.
It's worth a lot of money.
I mean, as it should be, because while customization isn't cheap, you get so much return value for these type of details.
Ladies and gentlemen, ta-da.
This competition is no joke. We are going against some of the top designers, so I would be lying if I said we were not nervous.
But Meek and I are super competitive, and guess what? We hate to lose more than we like to win, so yeah, good luck to the competition.
I think the pattern is a distraction.
I actually cannot believe how invested I am in winning this competition. I might need to go and talk to somebody when we're done.
Gosh, they make these stickers so hard to get off.
Oh my God, I love this.
Close it. Boom!
Look at those colors. Hey, guys.
Thanks for coming.
This is amazing and big, and I'm loving this.
Ooh, I love that first impression. We feel like it's going to be a family that ends up in this space, so we want it to function for families.
Absolutely.
I'm loving the bar area. I love the floating shelves. I like that you did a thicker slab of wood. I don't like thin. I think that one makes it very sexy. We love a big countertop.
This is a jumbo slab.
The only thing I would have done different
Oh my
here,
God, I know what he's going to say.
it would look awesome with a waterfall edge, or if you did a drop-down countertop, maybe 3-4 inches thick. Where was the dining room before?
It was from this wall over.
I love the size of the kitchen, but as I look around, I'm starting to realize it's a small dining area.
Yeah, it is small. Yeah.
That is true.
See how big those cabinets are.
Check it out.
All right, so this is what
Which one?
the
This
kids
one?
go.
The one on the right.
What? No.
That's the reaction we wanted.
This is so cool. Hello.
Hi.
Hey guys, how you guys
Oh
doing?
my
We're doing great. How are you?
Good. Hi, we're taking it all in.
Take it in.
This is a bold kitchen.
I am loving, just from this standpoint, the backsplash. It's
Good.
amazing.
Thank you.
And I love the gold features you use.
This is definitely bold. My favorite part of the kitchen is the stove.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
that's
amazing.
one thing that's gonna set the house apart.
The backsplash is my favorite.
The backsplash is beautiful. I love
sure.
actually, I've never seen shelves in front of a window.
I like
Normally, I would think I wouldn't like it because it blocks the view, but this is actually really cute.
Wow, I'm loving how open this is.
The kitchen was here before.
You were
Oh,
standing
this
in
used to be the
dining
dining room. This
Yep.
was the dining room, that was the kitchen.
I really like that when you're cooking here, it's open to the dining room and it's open to when people walk
Yep.
in. So I like that, and I like that the sink is overlooking out to the beautiful scenery.
Oh my
gosh.
That
I
is
love
gorgeous.
it.
Look at all that brick.
Wow.
This is
Obsessed.
gorgeous. My God.
This was just a plain old pantry, so we arched the opening.
The island used to be this way.
Okay.
Total
I
custom
like that.
cabinetry,
I like
which
that.
this looks like a furniture piece, so you see the feet on there.
This is cool. The white fridge with the gold.
Allison had this wonderful idea of recessing that fridge into the wall with cabinets.
And then we did the 48-inch range versus the small range that was in there. So that way it's like a real chef's kitchen.
See, what was cute about that is you guys walked in and you saw the brick.
Oh, yeah.
And it took you didn't see the stove, you didn't see the fridge.
Yeah. Beautiful chandelier. The floors, amazing choice.
Maybe you guys could have carried this look into the dining room to make the kitchen feel a little bit bigger.
Should have put like a wet bar wine area with the floating shelves and something like, I think a cool pattern design.
A wine rack, could have done lighting.
Something. I'm loving the brick, I'm loving the floors, the gold, the black. I have a lot of pros, you guys.
Value-wise, you guys nailed it.
This kitchen, it's warm, it's family, it's inviting, and it's wow factors.
We did a good job.
We did a good job.
We did a good job.
I'm getting ready for the win. Let's go.
Want a peach?
No.
Are you excited?
No, I have a low grade like fighting vomit down my throat.
Hello!
Wow.
Hey guys.
Wow, look at that detail. Right off the bat, turning the corner.
Yeah.
Love the space. The first thing I noticed was the detail on the countertop. I noticed the real wood island. It looks like a piece of furniture. Really neat.
Is the fridge
Yeah.
this?
Yep,
Okay.
that's all the fridge and freezer.
Right
I like how it's built in, doesn't look like a fridge.
Yeah, and it's a mix of classic items that will never go out of style. 100 years from now, this kitchen, we hope will stand the test of time.
I never would have came up with this idea. Super cool.
The lighting is integrated, and then also you just grab a plate.
I like the glass shelves with the gold bars and the
Yeah.
lighting,
With
but it's a
everything
staged
else.
house, right? So
Yeah.
imagine the family's living here. Imagine how full those shelves are gonna be, and then what's the kitchen gonna look like? Because there's really no cabinetry. Look at all this seating. I can imagine big family gatherings, everybody sitting down here. You have this huge bench.
Built in.
There's also storage underneath all of that whole banquette for all those platters and things like
Yeah.
that,
And-
and no one knows where to
And
put
we don't
it.
believe in formal dining rooms.
What I love about it is, look at honey, the kitchen. I call it a super kitchen.
Yeah.
It runs all the way to the back of the house,
Yep.
right into the bench. Like you couldn't have done a better job with the space.
It really opens it up. You guys, this was really hard
So
for us.
hard.
We've been debating all day and we've been going back and forth.
But this season's winner of the Rock the Block Kitchen and Dining Room Challenge is gonna be
Allison and Mike.
Your biggest worry was Nate and Jeremiah.
And we beat them.
I think we rocked the block.
So far, so good. Now we just got to bring home the big W.